Hi, welcome all to this very first analysis session of the new year. So, happy and a prosperous new year to you and your family. Happy year to everyone. And let's see what the new year has for us. Right, so let's see that. So, as what we were seeing last week, right, we did touch 14,000 and we are above 14,000, right? So, it's a good start to the new year, right? And yesterday we closed for the first time even on the spot above 14,000, right? So that is where we are now, right? So hopefully, let's see what the market now has for us. Okay, so let's see last week what we had seen and where we had expected the market. So let's just see last week. So the diamond index is nifty. We saw this breaking resistances, right? And this was supported. So as we had said, right, we didn't saw the market going down, and as the history repeats itself, right, we saw the history of last 6 years. Last week of December is always bullish. The seventh year also shows the repeat of the history, right? So we saw that the market were bullish last entire week, right? So now we have reached this two levels, so we'll have to change this. Right now, waiting for 14,200. If that's broken, 14,700 then comes as a fifth retracement levels as well. So let's see where we go. Okay, so now this becomes a critical support. The week before, the low that was hit becomes a critical support. Okay, so unless this is broken, okay, for all the bears, okay, this level if it's broken then only you should activate yourself. Okay, so being very watchful. There can be sideways movements where you can get swing short positions, but at least don't make the mistake of going positional short. Okay, पोजिशनल शॉट का टाइम नहीं है, ये अभी भी मार्केट बाय ऑन डिप्स वाला है. So be careful with that. Okay, then Bank Nifty did almost what we expected to break above the resistance of this and even this. So we are now about 31,300. Okay, and we are now seeing it crossing the levels. Now there is two more levels where it needs to cross. We will see that today. Okay, so even Bank Nifty only we need to be worried as monthly RSI is still around 60. Okay, so this still holds good. Okay, this still holds good. Okay, then Nifty ITs, it is a diamond sector and it still was doing good last week. Okay, we'll see what it has done. FMCG also overall golden sector and it has done good. So even that has been working fine for us. Okay, Nifty Auto has also done a little bit of good things. Okay, and pharma. So we saw even almost 5,300 being touched on Dr. Reddy. So I don't think so there is anything bearish to be still there in the market, but let's see now what the chart says. Okay, Balkrishna, one of the stock. I think Vishesh, what did you do? Are you still holding or you booked your profit on Balkrishna?
Still holding, Kamal bhai.
Are still holding good. See now it's a doji, but it is at 60. Okay, so my actual movement was from this levels. Okay, 40 support on daily to maybe I was expecting 60, 40 to 60, and I think we are already there. So it's now a doji at 60, and I think second target was 1685, and it did went till 1660. Okay, so now this is also one of the resistances here. So as per we move ahead, right? So either if the doji high is crossed, we will get to the target of 17. 1700 and above. Okay, so this can still be there. वो मैंने हटा दिया छापा बाद में तो थोड़ा इधर ही रहेगा ना, तो मैं तो जो बुलाता हूँ इसको बाहर निकाल के एक बार चेक करना है, वो कॉकरोच इसमें से उड़ के बाहर निकला। हाँ, उसके आगे पीछे नहीं है, वो तो घुमा के देख लिया, अंदर से बाहर निकला। हाँ, तो वो अभी मत कर बाबा, मैं इधर उड़ी मारेगा। अरे शेर से नहीं डरता अरे मैं, लेकिन कॉकरोच से तो मैं भी डरता हूँ। हाँ, so Balkrishna has hit RSL because we were trailing it. Okay, but I think Vishesh is not currently part of Stock Ideas. He joined yesterday. Okay, so again, when we are talking about Balkrishna and I think SL hit, so let me just show you a few things on that. So this is what Stock Ideas is all about, and we keep trailing the things which we buy or we sell, right? And we had booked the profit. So this is what is the entire history of Stock Ideas. You can see all the trades that we have taken throughout the month of December. Okay, and almost 32,000 is the profit if you take all the trades. So if you have taken all the trades, you'll see this, right? So no, don't buy again, Saraf sir, wait. Okay, so Stock Ideas, the subscription is still open till 3rd of January. If anyone wants to still avail thing, can call us, okay, or message me, and we'll take it forward. Okay, so my only aim, I'll just say on Stock Ideas is to make, the minimum capital that will be required for Stock Ideas is 3 lakhs, and we would be happy to make 8 to 10% on every month. Okay, and that is what is going to be the Stock Ideas all about. Because if you make 8 to 10% on 3 lakhs, at the end of the year you will be doubling your money. Okay, it will be much more returns than what people are putting it into mutual funds. Okay, and we are showing with results, and I think everyone who is seeing us doing the weekly analysis, that almost 80% of the stocks they hit the target as well as per what we have analyzed during the weekly analysis, right? And that is what we are going to track as well in this Stock Ideas. So to hit that 8 to 10% is going to be very simple for us, right? And that is the main thing where we will be helping you when it is about to trigger, when it triggers, what trailings should be done, and if it is a loss, where to book the loss. So everything would be guided in that Stock Ideas, right? So again, if anyone wants to be there, can do that during this 2 days, and reach out to me for the same. Okay, so now let's move ahead. Okay, so let's see Nifty first and where we are with respect to Nifty. So let's start this week analysis. Okay, so Nifty is still having small candles on daily, and if someone knows about few things on RSI, okay, we are still having bearish divergence. Okay, so this is still there, but unless it now confirms, okay, do not go short into it. It has crossed the historical level, okay, on one of the things which was there on mindset 14,000. But mind you, that Bank Nifty is still to hit the all-time high. Second thing, we have crossed on one index a historical mark of 14,000. What about Sensex? 50,000 is still pending. Okay, so BSC अपने बिल्डिंग पे 50,000 बलून्स छोड़ने वाला है. Okay, वो बाकी है. So let's see whether they are ready with those balloons or not. Okay, so that is still pending. But now let's see weekly and daily, monthly what they say. Weekly is no bearishness. Look at this, and it is a perfect entry was there on this hammer high if you had missed it, and if we would have initiated even a long here, 300 points was there for us. Okay, one candle shows weakness. No, there is no weaknesses. It's only the divergence. Bearish divergence get confirmed. How to know that bearish divergence gets confirmed? Amar sir, it's by the trend line breakout. So you need to draw trend line. So that is the only reversal. See, bearish divergence now, it's a multiple candles. Okay, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 bars. So even if this will come, it will come till 20 MA. I don't think so it's going to break now. So you need to see a bearish divergence is a trend reversal signal, okay, and it is part of the P2 in which you need to so it's a refreshing you need to do that. So it's how do you trade it will be on a trend line breakout, but that trend line should be the trend of the entire stuff. So it cannot be a just intermittent trend. This is the trend right now. Okay, so this needs to be broken. So as I said, the low 1350, okay, should be there. So if anybody who is interested in P2 and to know how to trade this, even videos are available and can do it. And I think it's the training is happening in February, so you can even join us in Feb. That is fine, right? So this is where, see, this is a trend still. My trend is intact till this is not broken. Okay, so I might come here because it's a 10 bar. My expectation is it will come maybe till 20 MA and bounce from it, or from this trend line support it will bounce. So this is still a trend. Okay, so do not expect that it's going to fall from here right now. Okay, and monthly is a band walk on index above 60, and I think people were worried that there would be a bearish divergence here, but look at it, there is no bearishness. So monthly also does not have any bearishness, and if we had seen the fib retracement, it is much more higher, right? So if we have got this retracement till here at 25%, see exactly at 25, and now if you have the extension in place, see we are already above 61%. Okay, 13,660 चला चुका है. अभी one is 15,383. I know it is hard to digest. Okay, because we are at just 14,000 and the fib is showing you this levels, but 0.85 is around 14,700. Okay, so that is where again you can see the index moving because the strength and the momentum is still there. Okay, you can't neglect it, so be careful, okay, with your short positions or your short takes. So Nifty still looks strong to me, and I will still mark it as diamond index for sure, small candles are maybe for sure, but monthly, weekly and monthly we have now got a good walking on the band. Let's say I think weekly was not there, weekly is along the bands. Okay, so now see, even this is 14,200. So we might touch 14,200 in the coming week. Okay, this can be achieved. Okay, looking at this, and in the downside, 13,800 is going to be the first support. Below that, you might say around here, 13,450 and 13,150 remains as a strong support. Okay, so let me just write down the support and this levels. So now this will change to 13,800. Okay, 150 तो चला गया पीछे, push back. Okay, now this resistance comes ahead. Okay, and then will come another psychological mark which is 14,500, might be 50,000 coinciding with Sensex, and then 14,750 is the fib levels. Okay, so this is the fib level, this is a psychological level, and this is again on the upper band of Bollinger. Okay, so this are the weekly stuff which you can see on Nifty. Now let's move on to Bank Nifty. Similar candle with a more better sign. It also has got an island reversal. If I have
Okay.
to
So
say, is anyone talking? So now this island reversal surely takes us to the swing high, which is this. Okay, so we might see this. Okay, so this is something which is expected now in Bank Nifty. Okay, so there is no bearishness on weekly as well. 71, 71, 88. So no bearish divergence. Now, the only hurdle that it has to cross is this. If this is crossed, we are looking for a new high. Okay, and still here also, if you look at it, but these are black candles, so there is nothing to worry about here as well. Okay, so there's nothing to be worried on Bank Nifty. Okay, and it might be if you look at it. Where does it go? Aha, we got a new high. Okay, so there we are. So enjoy your new year with a new high. Okay, quite possible out here. Okay, so this is where we are. So I'm now going to say that daily at 60 resistance वो तो सब cross कर दिया उसने, weekly भी 60 के ऊपर है, so that is nothing. Okay, so now it's only uh, it is a type of formation. It's not exactly island reversal because the first candle of this is still a doji. Okay, it's a doji, then another hammer or a doji, and then a very big white candle. So there are a V shape with gaps. So I'm just saying island reversal type of formation on weekly. So be clear, it's not a typical island reversal. Okay, and monthly resisting 60. Okay, so if this is crossed, we will certainly see the highs. So now resistances will also change. So now 950, which has acted as a very good support, resistance will change to support. Sorry, now this will change to 31 650. Then the final level is 950, and then probably 30 to 600. Okay, which is the closing price and not the all-time high. If this is crossed, then the all-time high, which is I think 30 to 800 and something. Okay, now this should be pushed back. We now have 3950. Okay, then 3500 and 3100. So we have this levels now for support. We have this level now to be crossed. Okay, so 650, I think we have made a high of 500 last week. We were not able to touch this because 650 around is a resistance, and the final resistance is 950 for before we break above for the new all-time high on closing basis. Okay, so these are the three hurdles now. Okay, so Bank Nifty, okay, they have moved quite well, and people who have done top bottom can say now, how that entire year in top bottom would have made. Okay, and I think all of you would have at least doubled your money. If anybody who has done top bottom throughout the month can speak on their results, I think it will be really helpful for the others who have done the training but still not done the top bottom trades. So I think Vishesh, you are one who has been doing it throughout the year. So if you can just say that whether you get a decent return as what we promised during the training, is that true? Can we say that?
Absolutely, absolutely. And I would highly recommend for people who still have to start with top bottom to really do it and experience it themselves, like how I did. And I've done it for 1 year now, and I can see the results myself. And definitely, there is good potential to double your money if you stick to the discipline and the rules for the entire year.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Vishesh. Thank you very much for saying, because this I wanted anyone and everyone to know this, because see, the results are also with us and we have already published it on the website as well, right? So you can see over there as well. So please follow it. And this year we are still going to help you with the levels till June, okay? And people who have done the training, okay, and still have doubts can get it clarified with us. And people who have not done the training but still want to make use of the top bottom levels, we do have started with the services for also MCT top bottom group. So you will be added to the WhatsApp group where we will be sending the daily trades or the daily levels where to enter for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Reliance, and Maruti. Right. So if anyone wants to join this group as well on subscription basis, please do get in touch with me for the same. Okay. So let's move on, and we highly recommend this because it doubles your money every year, right? So now let's see the other indices. So now I will go to the other indices, and that's Dinabath. Okay, Papa. So Nifty IT, yeah, good fall as well as good rise, and every year you will get it. This year it is more than 200% returns, Sandeep. So you will get at least 100% every year. Yeah, yeah, every year 100%. Every year. So this year it is more than 200% if you have to check the results, right? So Nifty IT still remains at all-time high, still remains itself as a diamond sector. Daily looks good. Weekly CI has said flag has started, and I think almost it's on the flag, right? So it's already. So this is what I showed you even on Bank Nifty. Okay, so almost about to reach the level. Okay, it's also the, I think, Bollinger Band high. So we are almost around the same level, right? So it's already say started, and the flag. This is what we had said during the weekly analysis 3 weeks back, that there is a breakout on flag when it this candle has came above this. So I think since last 3 weeks we are seeing as a breakout of flag, and now almost on the target of flag on IT, right? So this is looking good, and that's monthly band walk with nothing to stop it right now as well. ये निकल जाए भाई, क्या हुआ इसको? Okay, let it be. Okay, so it's again, see, it's band walk started on monthly as well, and we are around 79 RSI on monthly, right? So I think it might just go till the levels which we just saw on the flag, and that's where it might have some level of retracement before it starts another journey, right? So IT looks good, diamond sector, all band walk, all time frame, and weekly shows a breakout of flag as well as now this bearish divergence setup is also no more. So this is what I was saying, that more bars bearish divergence will not go through. So we had a bearishness also on weekly chart of Nifty IT. It has still continued to go higher, right? So now this has not gone. Okay, weekly shows breakout of flag and almost approaching now the target, approaching the target. Okay, so it's still a diamond sector and still doing good. Let's go to the other sectors. So नीचे में भी infra आएगा, infra देख लेते हैं. Okay, so infra also is looking good. I don't think so there is anything bad still here because even the price is lower than this. ठीक है, 3 बार bearish divergence है, but इसका bearish divergence के इसके नीचे क्या confirm होगा. Okay, so we have to see what it does in this week. Oh, here there is nothing bearishness, so this is fine at 60 support. Ah, yes, yes, this is going to be critical. Okay, so this is going to be make or break for this sector. It is above 60, and this can be the first 60 support after a multi-year. Look at this. Infra stocks can zoom if this has been taken as first 60 support. So this month is going to be critical for all the infra stocks. We'll see them as well. So Nifty Infra shows a good breakout, and it's also a cup breakout. Okay, cup के साथ multi-year breakout over 60. So this looks to me as a very, very good bullish sector. Okay, so that's why I'm in no mood to say we are bearish. Look at the Nifty Infra monthly chart, right? So this shows a very, very good sign. Let's move. I think we're not tracking infra on a weekly basis on the write-ups, but we have been seeing it consistently since almost 4 months. right? And this is where see it has also grown in similar fashion. And now see it's gone past this resistance in the previous month, and now it is ready to shoot above, right? So it looks good. Now FMCG is also diamond sector. Look at this. Okay, it's a diamond sector above everything, nothing wrong over here as well. Nothing wrong even here. So this is also looking great to me. Yeah, we will see that. Normally, ACC hai, Ultratech hai. You can take any of them. Okay, so they will be looking good. So we'll see Siemens as well. So let's see. So this looks good to me. Okay, so even FMCG sector is looking good and it's turned itself into golden say diamond. इस सबका फेवरेट हो गया लगता है डायमंड बिस्किट हो गया सब पूरा. ओके ओवरऑल डायमंड सेक्टर ब्रेक्स अबाउ ये ब्रेक अबाउ हो गया. यस सी we had a resistance at some levels and that is also done. Okay, good ones breaks above, so it's already done. Daily bounce from 60. Okay, so all time frames above 60 and 80 all time high. Okay, so this is what it is. And let's go to Fratafat, Pharma, and then Auto. So let's see. Hey, मैं इधर क्यों जा रहा है? हाँ. So pharma is also looking good. Okay, we had this breakdown and now it is also preparing for a good thing. It took 60 support on Wednesday. So Friday, Saturday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is looking good. And I think it's now ready to shoot. Okay, so be ready for a flight even in pharma. Okay, why I'm saying so? I'll show you that. Okay, a beautiful setup here, a beautiful pattern here. ये पूरा सब भागने वाला है. ओके सो बी वेरी केयरफुल. चलना बेटा, सर रुला नहीं करना. दिस इज वेरी गुड टच 13,900. निफ्टी ने 14 मारा तो मैं क्यों नहीं. ओके सो फार्मा बिकॉज बेचारा पेंडेमिक का साल है. एंड ये देखो ये भी बैंड वॉक, डोजी एट बैंड वॉक. Okay, so it's also got a breakout, and now probably this is the time where it also makes a new high. So January will be historical. I think we will see almost all the index making a new high. Okay, so it's not only one thing. Okay, so that's why again Reliance bad news. Forget it. Throw it in a dustbin. Okay, we don't care whether Reliance works or not. There are other sectors to pull market as well. It's no more. See, earlier the driven market was by 4 to 5 stocks. This time it's been driven by all the stocks. Okay, so this is what you are now seeing on even Nifty Pharma. Okay, so it still looks good to me. Bandwalk is there on monthly above 60, golden sector, right? And it might prove to be a diamond sector maybe by the end of this month, right? So still it's a golden sector. There is no more bearish divergence over there now, right? So now all time daily took 60 support, bounced and flag setup. Okay, so we'll see pharma. I think people may be still holding as per recommendation, Dr. Reddy, if they are still doing it. Uh, it now this can be seen. Okay, we've seen 5,300 almost 400 points short from here, but now that's the time to see a new high on that as well. So let's see now quickly Nifty Auto. Nifty Auto, where are you? ओके सर हियर वी आर. अच्छा ये एक फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर वाला भी एक है, ये वाला है वो. विल सी दैट इन अ मोबाइल. लेट्स फिनिश फर्स्ट आवर व्यूज ऑन आवर मेन इंडेक्सेस. सो दिस इज स्टिल एट रेजिस्टेंस. ओके ये थोड़ा मेरे को लल्लू दिखता है. ओके it's little bit weaker compared to the others, but now see there is no bearishness here. Hammer high has been crossed. So we can expect this again crossing 9600, which is the resistance here. So 9600 ke upar mein we might see this. So let's see if that happens. Even monthly 60 would be crossed. Okay, we need now to cross the high of this spinning top. ओके सो ये स्पिनिंग टॉप का हाई 9600 के ऊपर चला जाएगा और वहां पे उसको हर ये जो भी छोटा छोटा रेजिस्टेंस है ना वो क्लियर हो जाता है. So इसके ऊपर में it crosses even 60 on monthly, and look at even this sector. If it crosses monthly 60, it's going to be after 2.5 to 3 years, and it's also looking as a rounding on RSI. So this sector will burst when it goes above it. That's why I think many people have recommended, if you are buying Maruti, buy it in cash. You will now see about 10,000. Okay, so that is what we are expecting on this sector as well. So this sector right now looks to me, okay, we have still a small resistance to be cleared, and small बोलने के लिए बहुत बड़ा resistance है. Okay, this gives you a cup if it goes above. Okay, so if this is broken, it's like Lakshman रेखा. ये तोड़ा ना तो ये उड़ना चालू कर देगा, फिर जटायु हो जाएगा ये. Okay, so let's put this here as well. Nifty auto, daily, and all have taken all these things. So now this we do not have to worry. Okay, the only thing is monthly doji at 60 resistance. Okay, and weekly hammer support वो तो हो गया है. Okay, see, it's very critical. I'm looking into more mainly bullish trends and all the things. It's not that I am bullish. The charts are saying that. Okay, so again, this all things are saying one thing, and we might see a very good year next year. So let's see how it goes. Let me just put this as Jan 2021 for the first time. Okay, so now let's start fat on the stocks. Okay, so let's see. Uh, Maruti. I think I am on the wrong path. I am on here. Okay. Okay. So Maruti has already been in buy in top bottom. Okay, and weekly, just look at it. What it was. Okay, so top bottom is not something wrong in saying that we should be long in this stock, because it's a hammer at 60 support on weekly from where it has bounced. Okay, so it was actually a buy last week. I think somewhere we had not seen that. And mainly, I was concerned with top bottom entries, so I was okay. And now, if anyone wants to enter, it should be an entry above this level. Okay, so it confirms a 60 breakout even on daily above the high of yesterday. I think it's so about this you buy as a long trade. Okay, and see this has been defended. Okay, so Maruti, if anybody is holding in cash also, these levels are critical. You can see what it is. It's a Burj Khalifa candle here. Okay, and now the low of that has been defended. So this seriously means something. Okay, so it's not a volume where people are just in. Okay, they are in for some reason. Okay, and that reason will get more clearer if this is broken, right? So I can give one trade on Maruti for sure for next week. So let us start with it. Okay, so Krishna, I will scrap now because it's already been done. So Vishesh, for you, you can hold it if it is positive on Monday. You'll surely get 1685, and above that, if you'll still hold, my target would be 1710 for it. Okay, so that is where Krishna is. Now let's go to Maruti. Okay, Maruti buy about 7 800. Okay, uh, 60, 60 support with the hammer. Okay, and monthly resistance 60. Okay, so the trade is by about 700. Okay, my first target will be this 8,000, because 8,030 is the high of the last swing, so we might go till 8,000, and SL would be 775, which is a very good support right now. Okay, so it's a resistance which will turn to support if it is broken once. So this can be one trade that we can put it. Okay, so this is one trade on Maruti. Straight away we have it. Okay, because then this, if this is broken, this becomes a very good support. Here is that 7721, 7725. So if you look at hourly chart, my one of my line is there on my this thing. Okay. Yeah, in cash also, if you want, hold it. It's one of a good stock. Now it is looking good as well. So it's a good stock to be bought in cash also. Okay. So Maruti we saw, let's see Reliance क्या कर रहा है. See, Reliance has gone into a big squeeze now. See, daily squeeze है. Okay, simple है. अगर ये इसके ऊपर में जाता है, okay, you buy it. But about 2042, there is immediately one resistance which is approaching. Okay, and that resistance is this. So buy above this. Okay, so ये previous जो doji है ना, उसके ऊपर में आप buy करो उसको 2090 पे for positional, and you might expect a new high. Okay, so because 15,000 निफ्टी को जाने का है, तो इसको भी भगाना ही पड़ेगा, इसको छोड़ नहीं सकते, चाहे मुकेश भाई है ना नहीं है. Okay, plus this has been seen now talking of 1850 as a base for this stock as well. Okay, so this is remaining as a stock base. Okay, so this is looking okay to us. Okay, but the only thing is this has got a reverse pattern than the other thing is. So I'm only worried for that. So if कौन सी साइड ब्रेकआउट देगा ना, ये यहाँ तक लेके आ सकता है इसको. This is where it will come down to this पूरा length इधर तक आ जाएगा. So that's why I would suggest that trade as per the daily chart breakout कहाँ देता है उसके हिसाब से. Okay, so yeah, you can buy above yesterday's high Maruti if you want. Okay, so this is what I'm concerned in this stock. Okay, because ये थोड़ा मेरे को dicey लगता है, so that's why Reliance I'm also not following up much. Okay, it's better to avoid unless and until it becomes either a golden stock. See, right now weekly and daily is still below 60. It's only taking support on 60 on monthly. So long term is bullish, but still it is looking to be a little bit lousier than the other stocks. Right? Let's see. ACC. ACC has got ah, ECC also we can give a buy call or a short call, either of it, whichever goes through. Look at it, it's an inside bar within inside bar within inside bar. So bearish, it's harami within harami. Okay, so this will be a good breakout, and this is a coiling wala harami. So every P1 student should be knowing this. ये भूल मत जाओ, ये बहुत पावरफुल है, ये हरामी के अंदर हरामी है. ओके, मतलब बड़ा फटेगा ये. Okay, so if anyone has not done P1 and would want to do it, it's no more a classroom training, it's only now on video. So if anybody is interested, it's just 5,000 and it includes 24 strategies to trade. Okay, so this is what it is, and this really looks to me a very good pattern. Let's see which side we can think of it as a breakout. ये भी पता चलेगा, higher time frame थोड़ा देख लेते हैं. वही last 60 का support, and this is what अभी खड़ी close देखने में. ये 1660, 1617. There is a 3 bar PRD also here, and PRD is getting confirmed here. So mainly upside breakout. So let's see. See infra stocks, and I think it is one of the things which is part, I don't know whether ACC is actually part of infra or not. We'll have to see that as well. Okay, because infra, I am thinking is as all of this. See, ideally this is a buy about this. 1680 के ऊपर buy करो इसको. It gives you clear breakout on this trend line on your weekly, monthly, sorry. Okay, and RSI will then follow up as well. क्योंकि RSI monthly 55.5 है. उसको 60 आके resist करने के लिए भी ये level तक आना पड़ेगा. So this is what you can expect actually. 1680 से 1780 का target है. Weekly already it is there. And even this breakout will take it till 60 or maybe cross 60. So ACC is also looking good as a buy to me. Okay, and clear short would be below this. हाँ, इसके बीच में कहीं पे भी short मत करना, फंस जाओगे. ये पूरा उसका गैप है, गैप अप है ये, तो गैप का सपोर्ट है इसको. इधर गलती से भी शॉर्ट इधर मत कर देना, बिकॉज इसका इधर तुरंत ही सपोर्ट है. सो इफ यू वांट टू डू इट, इट कैन बी अ शॉर्ट फ्रॉम 1606 तो मे बी 1580. सो 20 रुपया मिलेगा वो ले लो. अगर नहीं मिलता है तो इस पर जबरदस्ती नहीं करना चाहिए. सी, दिस इज द लेवल विच बुल्स हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर देमसेल्फ. सो अगर तुम इधर आओगे कबड्डी खेलने तो तुमको ड्रैग कर लेगा, तो इधर बैर मत बनो. बैर बनना ही है तो इसके नीचे ही बनो. Okay, so you should be knowing where your entries are if you are a buyer. Okay, it's only below 1560 or I will say 1550 के नीचे ही short करो. Okay, उसके ज़्यादा short मत करो. So ACC is looking okay to me. Ultratech, I think that's one of the stock which I always keep recommending and we keep buying. So see, we were actually tracking it from 3900 where it was a bullish rally on 40 on monthly, and we had suggested to buy above 4700 as well. Okay, and now see it has already gone here, right? So I think I'll still maintain a buy call on this because this also has a 3 bar PRD. See, it's a 3 bar PRD here as well. Very clearly 3 bar PRD on weekly, and it has gone higher now. So PRD का entry 5191 है. Okay, तो अगर वो साइड पे अगर मिलता है, but I think it has already made the target also. So Ultratech is also giving you the target, and now again it is at 60 support and CIP. This is again a buy. This is again a buy. So there is something on Ultratech as well. So let's give a buy call on that as well. Ultratech ही नाम है, Ultracam नाम है. Ultracam I think जीरो ना बोलता है. Ultratech Siemens. Okay. All-time high if I'm not wrong. Diamond structure. Okay. So target will be what? Yeah, target का निकाल लेते हैं. See, healthiest retracement one can see in the market at 25%. Okay. Five, 4, 2, 4, 2, 8, and then 5, 5, 1, 2 is what. Okay. Five to 6 page. Okay. 370. So 5 points above yesterday's high. Okay. So yesterday's low becomes your stop loss. Okay, it's a stop buy there. ज़्यादा कुछ भी मत, ये बस हो गया. Okay, so Ultratech. So now see, we are seeing few things which are really good on the markets. So even ACC should be doing good. I think India Cement, if anyone wants to buy in equity, can see that also. That has also given a good breakout and it's rising. Okay, so Ultrachem we have seen. Now let's go to entire auto sector. So we saw Maruti. Let's see Escorts, which we are following up religiously. See, it has not gone to that level to trigger. Okay, and it is made again, this thing. So now, see, candlestick wise, अगर आप देखोगे ना, तो इसमें bullish, harami और doji after 4 or 3 bearish candle it has formed. Okay, तो textbook buy है ये, but डेली वीकली पे वो एक चीज जो उसने किया है वो है 60 ब्रेक. Okay, so we need now to see whether it goes above 60 or not. So buy will be only above this and sell will be below this. Okay, so still that will be still there and it has got a gap up but it is resisting and see it has gone above 40 on D. So mainly it's a 3 bar PRD as well as per what Vishes had sent me. So Vishes, if it's a PRD, your buy will trigger only about this half of this candle. So 1337 या 1340 के ऊपर buy है and your target is going to be 1500, more than 1500 because इसका close क्या है 1200 है और ये candle का close है 30 points है from there, sorry 60 points from there. So highest high between them is this. So it's going to be almost 15 or 20 as the target, okay, for this particular stock. But the only thing is this is been broken. So you buy once it is above this. So वही 1340 के ऊपर buy है तब तक ये weekly भी 60 cross कर लेगा. Okay, so it's a monthly PRD and it's going to be a positional call if anyone wants to trade this. Okay, so Escorts ये सब अभी निकल गया है monthly about 60. Okay, the Escort has got monthly PRD setup. Okay, weekly bullish after 3 so again this will change about 1340 मंथली पोजिशनल है ये इसमें एसएल बहुत बड़ा आएगा if anybody is interested then only I would recommend this. It's going to be a very best thing. 1520 is going to be the thing. So almost it is 1 is to 1.4 or वो type का इसमें ये है. So I would not recommend it जाना बट रिस्क ज़्यादा है इसमें. Okay, इतना बड़ा रिस्क नहीं लेना है. So we have got 2 trades so far. Let's go to the other stocks. Balkrishna, I think it is already there. So still looking okay on monthly. See, weekly it is looking good. Okay. So our main purpose was 60 support on monthly, weekly, and daily 40 support. From there, it has bounced. So again, people who did P2, I think Devendra and all who are asking for retrospective dekha hai. This was again a trade based on just your normal P2 strategies. Okay, so this was again the same thing, and you have seen the magic of strategy 2A working 60-60-40, right? And this is still going to be there. I am expecting this as the target. Okay, and if it crosses this, it will go to the Diwali target also, which we have given in equity stocks. Okay, so let's see what it does here. So it's right now it's 60 resistance. Above this, it will cross 60 and it will give even 1710 as your target. Okay, so let's see. So Balkrishna we saw, then let's see Bajaj Auto. I think that is also at all-time high. Yeah, it's also a diamond stock. Okay, see it's a diamond stock. पूरा गांव डायमंड बिस्किट खा रहा है. Okay, so this is at all-time high almost, and it's crossed that. And see, it's also for 60 support. This is what I'm talking now. This is also a time for it to grow. Okay, so ये भी अगर 60 के बाद देखो निकला नहीं है कितने टाइम से, February 2018 से लेके भाई साहब ने 60 नहीं क्रॉस किया है मंथली. अभी करेगा तो ये जितना नीचे है उतना ऊपर जाएगा. So 2400, 3400. Okay, so more 1000 points you can expect even in this. So please do not think about bearishness. मत लाओ दिमाग में. Okay, ये देखो ये भी अच्छा खासा ब्रेकआउट है इधर. So Bajaj Auto also I can give a buy call on this if anybody is interested in positional buy. Okay, so this is also looking good to me. Band walk on this, but फिर एक sector के ज़्यादा stocks हो जाएंगे. You can buy this if it comes to around 3450 for support. Okay, and it bounces back above this level. So this looks really good to be bought about 3500. 3500 के ऊपर में you might see it going higher fast. Okay, because it's now at 460 support also on monthly and every time frame. So it's a diamond stock. और डायमंड स्टॉक का मैं आप सबको एक ही चीज में बता देता हूँ. एनी डायमंड स्टॉक विच इज बजाज ऑटो, टीसीएस, एशियन पेंट or any stock, okay, buy it on 40 support or 60 support on 15 minutes or 60 minutes. Okay, if you are not getting it on daily 40 60 नहीं कर रहे हो तो 15 मिनट में आएगा. आप एशियन पेंट का हिस्ट्री देख लो, आप थर्सडे का क्लोजिंग देख लो ऑफ टीसीएस एंड देन डोंट बी सरप्राइज्ड दैट टीसीएस गैप अप हो गया. अरे क्यों हुआ? बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस ऑन 15 मिनट्स एंड आल्सो 40 सपोर्ट टेकन. So that is the reason for it to go above and make a new high yesterday. Okay, कल 45 रुपीस ऊपर था, वो ऐसे नहीं था. So ये diamond stocks है. Even same is the index. Index, any index which is diamond index, 40 support just enter on 15 minutes or 60 minutes. Okay, do not miss it. See though them on live and you will be able to know it. Okay, so before we go there, let me also show you that. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ ना वो मैं आपको लाइव में दिखाता हूँ, तभी आपको एकदम ट्यूबलाइट हो जाएगा. I'll show you things on. See, this is a BTST item. Look at what it has done day before. 15 minutes chart. Hammer के साथ यार bullish divergence है. See, this is the last candle of the day. It's a hammer, and look at this. It's a 5-bar bullish divergence, right? So this is where you do a BTST on a diamond stock. ये diamond stocks है, इसको नहीं छोड़ सकते हम. Okay, this is one. Then look at Asian Paint. See, it's been taking support on 60, 60, 60. Again, it has just broken 60 and this trend line which I've been drawing, but now again with a doji. So now let's see what it does. It crosses 60, you buy it again. But let's see where it is on hourly basis. See, hourly it is almost again on this green line. The green line thoda nahi hai, dekho hourly में कितने time से. See this, from this limit, it has not gone and see hourly 40 support. See this. ये डायमंड स्टॉक्स है यार, इसके साथ मस्ती मत करो. ओके, एंड डू नॉट शॉर्ट इट. ओके, ये सब चीज शॉर्ट करने लायक नहीं है. जब तक तुमको मार्केट कुछ रियली एकदम खराब रीत से नहीं देता ना, कुछ मत करो. ये सब चीज में फंस जाओगे, ये पूरा साल फंसने वाले हो. So be very careful. Right, so we saw Bajaj Auto also, it's looking good. Okay, let's see Asian Paints and this thing. Okay, so auto we have seen. Now let's go to Asian Paint, which is again an all-time high. A candle. See, it's just moving like this. Okay, it's all having a dream run. See, 86 ka RSI hai and still looking good. 84. Okay, अभी भी bearishness दिखाई नहीं रहा है, तो क्यों गिराओगे तुम? कैसे गिराओगे तुम? Okay, it's right now just at the upper band. Okay, and there can be some retracement because RSI को भी थोड़ा नीचे आना पड़ेगा ना. तुम्हारा स्पीड लिमिट 100 ही है, उसके ऊपर नहीं जा सकता है. ये अभी हर टाइम फ्रेम पे 80 के ऊपर है, तो थोड़ा टाइम पास करेगा, नीचे आएगा, बट इट इज नॉट. You can add it in top bottom. Yes, why not? Add it. Just add it in top bottom. ये सब डायमंड स्टॉक्स को टॉप बॉटम बना दो. You will enjoy. Okay, so whichever are trended should be there in top bottom. Okay, now let's go to I think the other things on FMCG sectors. The Asian Paint we saw, which is not part of FMCG by the way. Let's go to FMCG now. Hindustan Unilever is still on, not crossed the all-time high. Okay, it looks okay to me, but it has got a very divergent setup here. But see, it is not getting fulfilled. Okay, तो ये भी अपना एक स्टॉप लॉस ले आया लास्ट वीक. अभी इसका क्या करना है देखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये भाई साहब इधर भी बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस बना के बैठा है, लेकिन अभी बैंड के सपोर्ट पे है. सो अगेन वी नीड टू सी इट हैज टू क्रॉस दिस फॉर एन ऑल टाइम हाई. तो जब तक ये ऑल टाइम हाई नहीं होता है तब तक वी हैव टू वेट. ओके, सो showing some bearishness, but it is not going down yet. Okay, so this might not even go down then in that case, and it might go much up because this is also, अगर आप डेली पे देखोगे तो फ्लैग सेटअप भी है. ये फ्लैग भी बना सकता है या नेट बना सकता है. ये बैडमिंटन खिलाएगा या फ्लैग करेगा मालूम नहीं, बट देखो इसका नाम क्या है, हिंदुस्तान. और हिंदुस्तान को फ्लैग बनाने के लिए, right, a very interesting date is coming very near, 26 January. And normally ये जो भी है, even Nifty will start making um, flag during this week. Okay, so Nifty, Bank Nifty सब में flag setup मिलता है. Okay, 15 मिनट तो 15 मिनट में मिलेगा, लेकिन ये सब चीज मिलेगा. And this is the way of salutation to the nation. ओके, सो ये भी करेगा तो ये भी वापस वो यहाँ तक आ ही जाएगा. 2400 के ऊपर 2530 जा रहा है एज पर दिस. ओके, सो लेट्स वेट एंड वॉच व्हाट इट डज. राइट नाउ yes, there is a bearish divergence, but it's not getting confirmed. So again, for people who want to see this, this is the trend. Okay, this trend, if it is broken, it breaks only below this, and I would short only below now this. Okay, एक शॉर्ट करके बचता है. अभी दूसरा शॉट इतना जल्दी नहीं करने वाला हूँ मैं. सो 2340 के नीचे ये शॉट आता है, उसके पहले नहीं, क्योंकि 2340 के नीचे ये इवन 60 को तोड़ेगा. ओके, सो ओनली शॉट इफ इट कम्स बिलो दिस. तब तक आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू शॉट एनी ऑफ द थिंग एंड सी व्हाट इज दिस लेवल, CIP. ओके, सो इट्स अ CIP लेवल एज वेल, सो बी वेरी कॉशियस. ऐसे ही उसको शॉट इसको भी नहीं करना है अभी. Okay, so lever looks good. You can buy about 2420 for a target of almost 2520. Okay, because ये जो target है, ये 3 कैंडल का मिला के वो उधर तक जाता है. Okay, so instead of let's see. Okay, इधर ये हमारा right तक. So lever, yes, looks good. Lever. Yeah. Okay, so this is going to be hinge lever for us. Okay, so now let's see. डाबर, निरंजन ने तो बोलेगा मेरा वाला स्टॉक नहीं लेगा. ये डाबर ने भी ब्रेकआउट दिया 525 के ऊपर. ये देखो 525 का उसका आंकड़ा क्रॉस नहीं कर रहा था, ये भी क्रॉस कर लिया इसने. ये ऑल टाइम हाई पे है भाई. सब डायमंड बन रहा है, क्या बात है. डायमंड बिस्किट का जमाना महंगा हो जाएगा. ब्रिटानिया देखते हैं, डायमंड बिस्किट ब्रिटानिया बनाता है, कौन बनाता है. वी लर्न ये देखो और एक ट्रेड 30 पे सपोर्ट, ये नहीं जमेगा मेरे को, दिस इज नॉट अ ट्रेड, though it is at CIP, I'll still not go for it. See, weekly is weak in Britannia. And even the 60 भी नहीं है मंथली, जाने दो, डायमंड बिस्किट खाली तू बना भाई, तभी तू डायमंड बनेगा। ठीक है, तो ये नहीं चल रहा है, इसको छोड़ दो। ओके, सो इसको छोड़ दो। सो FMCG में ये मेरे को नहीं जमा, आई डिडंट लाइक इट। What is this? This is the TriStar Doji, but TriStar Doji संदीप ये थोड़ा 60 के रेजिस्टेंस पे है, और ये थोड़ा मेरे को बुरा लग रहा है, बट ये क्या है, कुछ नहीं है, और ये भी मेरे को इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है। सो मैगी नूडल्स को रहने देते साइड में। ठीक है, सो FMCG हो गया, विस्टार ऑटो, FMCG। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद फार्मा। DRR क्या बोलता है, इसी DRR अच्छा बोलता है। It has taken 60 support and it has bounced. Now we want a breakout about this. So people who have not entered in it should enter above 5,300 for a target of 55. Okay, it's preparing for a launch. Let's see. Okay, so this is okay, looking okay to me. 4 बार ये क्या है, 5215। अच्छा, ये 52, अरे नहीं है, अरे सही है, गुड बॉय। So no bearishness in this sector and not even in the stock. So this can be bought above this levels. Okay, so I think 5,300 ये touch नहीं कर रहा है ना, 53 के ऊपर मैं buy करूँ। Okay, so I'll just revise the entry for anyone who is buy open or okay buys open नहीं बोलूँगा, I'll say buy above वो देता हूँ बस। ऊपर sustain होने दो, okay 10 point. Hold for this and SL will change this. गैप मेरे को चाहिए, गैप क्या है ये, इसका ओपन क्लोज क्या 5203 है ना, तो 50। So this becomes your SL. Okay, so Dr. Reddy also looks good. Okay, then let's look at Oro. Wow. See, this is looking more better. So ये खाली ये क्रॉस करना है, देखो अभी भी इसको ये गैप मिल रहा है एक्चुअली, इसके ऊपर में जाएगा तभी बाय करो। 940 के ऊपर क्लोज, 60 सपोर्ट है, ये भी फटेगा। सी इट्स अ गोल्डन स्टॉक एंड ऑलमोस्ट एट ऑल टाइम हाई, ये उसका ऑल टाइम हाई है 970, राइट। सो ऑलमोस्ट गोल्डमन से डायमंड बनने की तैयारी में है ये। ओके, एंड इट इज लुकिंग गुड, लुक एट द ब्रेकआउट दिस multi year 60 breakout and it's also good pattern. So Oro is also looking good. पहले भी Oro देखो कब breakout में कितना दे चुका है, 7 times when the depth, 7 to 8 times from the depth up, and भी at least double तो देगा ना यहाँ से। So Oro is looking good. Cipla I think is also one of the stock which I love. Okay, so Cipla is also, see it's already got a breakout. So Cipla was a buy above this levels already. And now also it is looking good. So Cipla is looking good. And here also it's looking good. So all time frames above 60, right? So Cipla is also looking good to me. कप एंड हैंडल बोल सकते हो आप, बट फिलहाल जाने दो, वो सब चीज में नहीं पड़ते, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा मल्टीपल कप है ना, वो क्या है ना, वो पिकल रखने का जार जैसा है, 3-4 चीज रख सकते हो। कप तो खाली नहीं है, वो नहीं है निरंजन। ओके, इफ यू लुक एट इट नो मंथली, और आगे पा अमिताभ बच्चन, ये देखो, इसमें आप मैंगो पिकल रखो, इसमें चटनी रखो, इसमें और एक पिकल रखो, और इसमें और एक भरो, ऐसा हो गया ये। मतलब ऐसा कप नहीं होता है ना, इसके लिए थोड़ा मैं डाइसी हूँ। आई डोंट से इट इज अ कप, बट यस इट्स अ गुड कंसोलिडेशन एंड इट कैन बी अ गुड ब्रेकआउट। सो यस, यू आर करेक्ट इन दैट सेंस, बट आई डोंट से दिस इज अ कप। कप मंथ कप कप ये मैं चाय भर के पी सकूं वैसा। ये इसमें चाय कैसे आएगी? खंड खंड होके चाय आएगी, वैसी नहीं चाहिए मुझे। राइट, सो दिस इज स्टिल लुकिंग ओके। अरे ऐसा छोटा छोटा नहीं है, ग्लास है ये, कंपनी है फिर ग्लास ब्रेकआउट भी बोलूं? सर निरंजन तुम चीटिंग करते हो यार। ओके ठीक है, फिर नाउ लेट्स सी एनी अदर थिंग। अरे डीवीज रह गया ना, एक लास्ट डीवीज देख लेते हैं। ओके, so डीवीज तो यार ऑल टाइम हाई एंड इट इज रनिंग ओनली, and there is now a little bit bearishness here, but let's see whether it confirms. See, bearish divergence का actual क्या मतलब है? Trend should reverse. So trend reversal should be breakout on a bigger time frame का trend line also. Okay, जब तक ये नहीं टूटते तब तक शॉर्ट करने का मन ही नहीं करेगा। ओके, सो थोड़ा बहुत नीचे आएगा उसको रिट्रेसमेंट बोलते हैं, ट्रेंड रिवर्सल नहीं बोलते। Okay, so still this is looking good. Okay, but still there is, I won't suggest any buy on this because it's already 65. Okay, so Dr. Reddy I think is looking good. So again, that can be entered about 53.10 or 5500 as the first target, right? And believe the target on cup is 6600 on that. So cash में तो लेके ही बैठ जाओ, वो चलेगा, right? So we saw pharma, we saw auto, we saw FMCG. Let's go to the other diamond sector, TCS, right? See, TCS got ये candle देखो कौन सा है और किधर है वो भी देखो। See this candle, कौन सा कैंडल है, किस किस को मालूम है P1? जल्दी जल्दी बोलो, मैं ज्यादा नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ, राइट? अगर नहीं आता है तो फिर P1 की वीडियोस वापस बाय करो। आ रहे बुल सेश, वेरी गुड, right? So it is looking good and see it is going higher, right? So it is looking really good. Pro gap candle raise Prathamesh bull side, I think यार दो तीन लोग ने अच्छा आंसर भी दे दिया। I think देवेन भाई ने भी दिया क्या? हारे देवेन भाई is also doing good work, right? So this is also see looking really beautiful. Okay, so now it can go to this. So 3000 is approaching on this stock as well. So swing trades के लिए भी है आपके पास. Okay, so this is looking good. It was a buy actually yesterday. I showed you where it was a buy. Okay, so it was good BTST because there was a bullish divergence on the 330 candle itself, right? With a hammer movie. And then yesterday it is a gap up with a bull sash and it has already gone higher. And now it will touch this and make the upper band is almost 2980. Okay, so it goes till that level now. So let's see. So TCS is looking good. Infi, I think someone had asked me how it is. Infosys is also much more better than TCS. So it looks both are interesting to me. And this can be also the stock which might, have a dream run again. Okay, it's already see having a good dream run. Okay, look at the point from where the entry was. See, this is the magic of this all-time high breakout. 850 के ऊपर उसने जब भी तोड़ा है, 850 का आज 1260 हो चुका है वो, right? So it has already given you 50% from the breakout, right? So that is where it is. Infi, tech and okay, so it's also looking good. So I don't think so there is anything bearish so far in this sector, nor in the stocks. So see, this is a good breakout. अभी ये ताजा ताजा breakout है देखो. This is the ताजा ताजा breakout. 850 के ऊपर वाला और already 900,000 हो गया ये. Okay. दूसरा एक स्टॉक आईटी में आई थिंक which should be seen as Wipro because it had a gap and now it has been closed. So see this. So now see gap को gap से ही भरा है इसने and it has touched almost now 400. So 400 is approaching because that is the buyback and this was the time of the buyback. Okay, so ये accumulation था and now there is a breakout on it. So this is where your entry should be. Okay, so now if it breaks above, it's going to be a good thing. Hold it with this as your stop losses. Okay, so this is going to be so again equity stocks and you can buy it and keep. Okay, so it's looking good now. गैप को गैप से भर के अभी ऊपर में चल रहा है. सो विप्रो इज ऑल्सो लुकिंग इंटरेस्टिंग नाउ, राइट. आईटी में और कोई स्टॉक बचा है? HCL Tech. Okay, so I'll just see this last one and then we'll move to the finances. See, diamond sector, almost all the stocks we saw are in diamond category. Okay, so there is nothing that is wrong in this as well. See, monthly is still powerful. Band walk. Okay, so there is nothing that is there in it. Okay, so this is done. Okay, it can be above 500. It is looking okay. Okay, currently it has got 68, 68.32, 68.60. So there is a 4 bar PRD set up on weekly. So your buy goes above, I think, 495. Okay, so 495 or 493 actually. 493 के ऊपर में buy है. Okay, and stop loss is 464. If you are already holding it, 464 is your stop loss. So it's right now resisting 60 on daily. So need to cross this. So buy बराबर है 493 के ऊपर में ही buy करो. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 stocks we already have, and Unilever. I will delete this. Okay, so now let's go to the finance sector. Okay, banking, HDFC Bank क्या बोलता है? Okay, so HDFC Bank is around 60. Yes, it is around 60. This is okay. Okay, so we needed to cross this levels. And so doji at upper band. So now we need. So this is also a breakout above all-time high, and it has also crossed. So it's also on the diamond side. Okay. So that is fine. Let's see then. मेरे को एक एक्सेस देखना है, and then I will go to the other as well. एक्सेस 640 क्रॉस नहीं किया इसने. ये जब तक ये क्रॉस नहीं करेगा ना, तब तक ये थोड़ा रुलाएगा. बट सी द सेटअप इज रेडी. Okay, the setup is ready. It might cross this week. So let's see. Okay, so this is looking good. The only thing is ये भी थोड़ा 60 के नीचे है. Okay, ये 2 दिन कुछ किया नहीं ना, तो even monthly is taken above. So now a breakout on this is needed. So buying is only about 640. Okay, do not buy below that. Axis Bank. Let's see ICICI क्या बोलता है. ICICI, yes, 3 bar PRD on daily. Yes, you're right. So again, the buying would be about 535. Your target is what? ये ज़्यादा बड़ा टारगेट नहीं है. ₹2 डिफरेंस है दोनों, और दोनों का हाई क्या है? अच्छा, 542 का ही तो टारगेट है. Okay, 543 का ही टारगेट है. विशेष, so not a bigger target, but okay. And I see this is where it resisted. Look at it where it resisted. अरे, तो अगर पीआरडी होता है तो पीआरडी का टारगेट हो जाने दो. उसके बाद मेरे ख्याल से ये इसको फुल कर देगा, तो इसके ऊपर में वापस निकल जाएगा. इट्स लुकिंग गुड. ठीक है, 545. So I think इसको रुको, buy it and see it is first 60 support as well on monthly. Okay, so this is also looking good. Huh? So if this takes, I think it will go beyond this as well. So ICICI is also looking good. Okay, on monthly time frame, it is at first 60 support. Okay, so that is where we are now with ICICI as well. And let's see Kotak, which is looking good. Yes, Kotak is looking good. इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इसको कोई गैप नहीं है. डायमंड स्टॉक है ये भी. ओके, ये भी ऊपर में ही जा रहा है. There is no bearishness so far, and it is still just retracements. So let's see whether it bounces from here at 25% bang on. Okay, so let's see if it bounces from here now. So Kotak is also looking good. And lastly, IndusInd क्या बोलता है थोड़ा 60 का resistance है. So I think almost all the stocks, see this is also bounced from 60 and see this is where it is struggling. Okay, so this is where there are few more gaps for IndusInd. तो ये उसको close करना है. And monthly it can come to this. And if it comes to here, it closes all the gaps on weekly. So let's see what it will do as well. So even IndusInd is now coming slowly and steadily in the game. Right, so that is where we are. Last SBIN, it's already looking good. Here also it's looking good. See gap filled. Okay, so this was where we had stopped and we have filled the gap now. So now this is also looking stronger. Yes, same. So you can expect 335 also on this counter now. Okay, so things are looking good on banking also. Okay, so few banks they are at 60. So so after Monday, what happens? We'll have to see that. Okay, so it looks good so far. And let's see Bajaj Brothers before we end. So this is okay, fine, all-time high and doing good. See a breakout and see this low was at all-time high. Okay, previous all-time high support and this bounce back. So this is also looking okay to me. So I think we are looking good overall. Okay, and do we need to see financial services index? No, I don't think so, but I'll just show you what it is also. So last thing that we are seeing now is the financial index because I know it's making its way into the trading. Okay, so let's see. So this is that financial services index, by the way. This is already at 15,000. Okay, and the lot size will be maybe between 75 and 50. Okay, so might be around 50 or 60 as a lot size. Okay, that's my assumption on that because and it's also at all-time high. Okay, so this is that index which is going into it. So this is the index. Okay, so it looks good. Yeah, Bajaj Finserv also looks good. So basically the index on financial services is looking good as well. All right, so good. So let's see what it happens. Okay, so again, anybody before we close, anybody interested for stock ideas or MCG top bottom? Okay, just reach out to me and we'll guide you further. Right, so thank you and once again wish you a very happy and a prosperous new year. Right, so thank you everyone and let's meet on Monday.